Light bright, huh?
Ooh, bathtub.
Yes, please.
That's not something you normally see at a garage sale. What are these?
Oh, those are cool.
Hello. Good, how are you? How much are your DVDs?
Dad, what are your DVDs? $1?
$1? Yeah. All right. Did I hear you say your dog's name is Chewbacca?
Yeah.
Chewbacca.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's what you look at when we first got it.
Yeah. I have a little Shih Tzu. Is it a Shih Tzu?
Yeah.
I have a little Shih Tzu. I wanted to name him Gizmo because he looked like Gizmo from the Gremlins.
That's why when he was little, he looks like Chewbacca.
That's cute.
Thank you.
Hey.
Say hi to him.
Friendly?
No. He's
No?
friendly,
Oh,
but
okay.
he barks when
Gotcha.
he's
No,
strangers.
he's not.
If you walk in the house, he's okay with you.
That's why he's
Thanks.
Chewbacca.
It's for fire.
Yes, it was cooler earlier.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to get hot. I'm sweating.
What do you have on the video games?
$4 each.
$4 each. This one's missing a disc.
Oh, which one is it?
It's supposed to come with the movie.
Oh. Well, I probably have it.
Yeah.
I would have to go find it.
Just giving you a heads up. It's missing.
No, I appreciate it. I had no idea. My discount.
Take advantage of it.
Yes, I think I earned it.
Well earned.
I earned it.
Hello.
Hello. All right. Let me see something. Hello.
How much are the cups?
4 for $1, or actually there's not too many left, so yeah. Every time you go to the Bucks game, you have to buy a new one. You can't bring in your old one.
I thought there were more now.
It might be.
Like $14, $16.
Because by the time you got one of the regular one, you can't refill it. If you like those, you can have the whole box for $5.
Whole box for $5?
Yes, because it cost me $200. I've been here 5 years and I never put it up.
So this whole box for $5?
Yeah, if you feel like that's fair.
You know what? I'll try it. $5. You're just happy to get it gone, huh? They're all brand new?
Oh yeah, they're all, I never opened them up. They're all just,
$5?
yeah.
Thank you. I absolutely love multi-quantity buying. You know, you put one listing up, it's multi-quantity, you just list and forget and just wait for the sales to come in.
Nice day for a yard sale, right?
It's hot out today. Hotter than what I was expecting.
Everything must go, so
Everything must go?
the price is real reasonable.
Okay.
A lot of this stuff was my grandma's out of her house. and
Gotcha.
it's, you know, it's 60, 70, 80, 100 years old, some of it. Oh, you found that little truck's old. Think
Yeah,
that's
it's cool. What are you asking for it?
I don't know. You're gonna have to have one.
Okay.
What you got there, the two pieces? I don't know. Look around and I'll give you a package deal. But this set of my grandma's. This is old stuff. Cut glass, you know, cut glass and stuff. What did your dealer friend tell you this was? Kenny, some type of cut glass or anchor glass or?
It's pressed glass.
Pressed glass.
I think it's pressed.
These two.
That's all you want?
Yeah.
$5 for both pieces.
Okay. That's fair.
I got
you.
that.
Poster box door. A little wagon. For $2.50 each. Why not? It's cool. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. Take it easy.
Thank
God
you.
bless. Have a great
It was nice
holiday.
meeting you.
You too.
Wow, this is cool.
Yep.
What do you have on this?
10.
$10. This is neat too.
Everybody, their Nightmare Before Christmas.
What is that one? How much is that one? How much is that?
$3.
$3?
Yeah.
All right, I'll take this one here. We take 5 for him? No? Okay.
Gotta have 10 for that one.
Gotcha. And these little guys?
Babe, your little guys for the...
Oh. $1 for both of them.
Take both of these here?
deal.
Yeah. I like it. I like this little sleigh for the rays. This is neat.
Yeah,
Of
my
course.
mother-in-law was a Rays fanatic.
Gotcha.
Now that she's passed on.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, is that a lamp?
Yes, we made that into a lamp. Actually, all these are lamps.
Oh, these are all lamps?
This was a microphone that
That's
we
a...
turned into a lamp.
Wait, this is a...
This-
Oh,
No.
hello.
No,
Are they friendly?
no,
Okay.
he's not.
He's
He's
not.
in training.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
he's got this.
You ain't
I
got
gotcha.
Stick your hand in there. You did.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, Jackie.
The
What you doing, Jackie?
that Dalmatian is beautiful.
Hey, Jackie. Hey, Jackie, good boy.
So how much is the... Did you say this one's handmade? Homemade?
Well, we kind of converted it together.
Gotcha. Is
I
this
painted
post...
the bottom base.
Yeah.
Came off of like a lava lamp.
That was a lava base, and then I
Okay.
just sat that on top of it.
Oh, gotcha. It's 2 sections.
Yep. But once it's on there, it's on. It
Yeah.
really don't come back off.
What are you asking on that thing?
I took $20 for it.
20 bucks. It's interesting.
The top pieces. It'll probably worth just that.
Yeah.
Yeah, top piece
I
is
got
cool.
that at the antique store.
Yeah, that's what attracted me
Yeah,
to it
this is-
originally. How much are the boots?
I like to get 25 out of those. I have
Okay.
them online for 60. So.
What do you have on the Santas?
5 each.
5 each?
Yeah. Electro items. I just don't have the wall space for them anymore.
Yeah. Is this the boxes for them or
It just doesn't have the
top?
face, the top box.
Gotcha. Are these supposed to go with it or are these okay? Gotcha. Add these in my pile.
I got this. You go back in there.
Let me just take a look at this one, make sure there's no damage.
Yeah, these are the certificates. for 'em.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why I was confused. They had all the other stuff in the box and light bright, huh?
Yeah, it's not as old as I am.
What are you asking on that?
Let's get 10.
Does it work?
Yes.
I just stopped using it because I can't got no place to put it in the house.
Oh, you just stopped using it?
Yeah, I used to decorate it every holiday.
Really?
Christmas scene, I do a Halloween scene, I do a 4th of July scene. Every holiday, Easter, there's still
That's
patterns
cool.
in there
That's
And I would just make up my own patterns. I didn't
Yeah.
buy the things.
yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, it was. And I actually bought extra pegs because I needed them. And I actually haven't used it since I bought the extra.
Yeah. So do we want to take 5 for it?
Sure, man.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it, man. You just never see like they're cool. Like I used to come across some of the newer ones, but I just like the box.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing for me is the box.
Yeah,
Box
we
is
got
cool.
that in an antique store up in Tennessee, and I think I paid $30 for it. And then I bought the pegs. So who else is gonna pay that?
Yeah, I gotcha.
I'm the fool that does.
No, I mean, listen, it's what you find value at the time and what is worth to you. That's what I always say.
I know
So
when I saw it, I'm like, cool, and then I was decorating every holiday. There's patterns.
I love that, man. I love the story behind it. What is that? Is that a Halloween? Oh, it's like a Halloween head.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. What are you asking for that?
One of those the ring lights.
Yeah, yeah.
We had it over that.
That's cool. What are you asking on that thing?
I took $5 for it.
$5, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to sell it, but I got
You
no
said
place
this
to
is
put it.
a quarter?
Everything's a quarter each.
Our whole living room.
For $5.
High peak ceiling, and I had masks.
It's like I don't want it, but at $5, it's like one of those things that I was like,
I was in a
All
thrift
right.
store, and I walked by, and I'm like, I can't pass that up.
Yeah,
And now here I
yeah.
am, what am I doing with it? Nothing.
All right. I think I'm ready to cash out with you here. So,
You don't get 5 for that one.
so 5, 10, 15, and then 4.
Yep.
So 19.
Literally, we got one whole wall.
All right, guys. You have a wonderful day and have a happy holiday. How you guys doing today?
How are you?
Good, good. You guys been busy?
Yeah, we've been blowing out all the stuff that's left. 2 for 5 on
2
the
for
Lightning.
5. The lightning. That's cool.
Those are cool. That's his retirement knife.
Yeah.
Made in China too. That's the special stuff.
That's a good stuff, right?
Shit right
That's a good. They do. Yeah, some like the automatic ones can actually sell for like $50, $100. Just depends. They just take up a lot of room. I used to sell Nerf guns, and people can actually part them out and sell those too.
Really?
Yeah. Because what happens is kids play with them, they break a piece.
Yeah.
So instead of $80 to do it, you can buy the parts for it and stuff
So
like
how
that.
much do these cost new?
They can range, man. They go for some big money.
There's a lot of falling.
Hi guys.
How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Doing great.
Awesome. I'm assuming we're veterans. Yes. Happy veterans.
Thank you.
What are these?
Oh, those are cool.
These are for you. We were holding them.
You were holding these already?
Okay. We actually fought 2 other men off for them knowing you were coming.
What are these?
They're slippers.
They're slippers.
For the fisher in your life. The fisherman in your life.
Oh.
What a great gift.
They're brand new. They never fit him, so you should probably need those.
Are you sure they're new?
Something important in life.
That's funny. How much you asking for them?
For you today, $5.
$5. I don't know. I must spend $5 on it, but they're super
How
cool.
much do you want to spend?
We'll talk amongst ourselves.
I'll give you $2.
Perfect.
I really have no vote.
I don't even want them, but they're just such a conversational piece. I have to buy them.
You know what you could do? You could hang them on your wall, and then people be like, "Oh, that's a really cool fish." You're like, "No,
No,
they're
yeah,
actually
yeah.
slippers."
Yeah, that's what I got. I caught that fishing right there.
They're yours.
This is
Man, these are cool.
the most ridiculous thing I bought today.
That's great.
Absolutely. This is
I'd
awesome.
like to know who you're giving those to for Christmas,
Keep
because I feel like
Do you know that's a
You know
good
what?
question?
I feel like that's a gift.
Secret Santa.
Yeah, Secret Santa
Oh,
gift.
there you
Yeah.
go.
Because Secret Santa, there we go. That's the best Secret Santa gift that you can find. Now I should buy the belly dance and stuff.
I feel like it's a whole vibe.
It's a whole vibe. Like I can put these on and it would have the belly dancer going, you know, like
I feel like TikTok is calling for you.
absolutely. You got any fancy hats to go along with it all? Like
Perfect.
you guys have
You
a
never know what you're gonna
you
find.
never know. So thank you guys. You have a good day. I don't know, you got any video games? You got some toys? What do you got for me? No?
We have a lawn care set with a name written all over it, though.
Lawn care set, my name written all over it, he says.
What is it?
He said there's a lawn set kit here with our name
Dude,
written all
I
over
have
it.
that lawn set. It's actually pretty freaking good.
Well, how much you asking for your lawn set kit?
For all 4, I'll say 100.
100.
It's a good deal. 'Cause
Yeah.
that looks
Look at you, man. You're wheeling and dealing today, man. I love it.
This is online. This is for like $400 or $500.
brand new.
Yeah.
Do you have the batteries?
We do not, sir.
Oh, that's where the money is. The batteries.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, he knew. He's gonna put one over on us, huh?
I actually have Cobalt. It's a good mower. $15.
Need an edger?
I actually do need an edger.
All right, you want to buy it? We'll throw it in my truck.
Let's take a look at the blade. Looks like the blade, right? Looks like it's pretty new.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You want $15 for this?
Yes, sir.
Decent deal.
So you said you're raising money for what? Fishing?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
It's my favorite thing.
Cool.
Perfect,
What kind of
man.
fishing? Bass fishing,
Bass.
saltwater.
I'm a big freshwater guy.
There you go. I used to love fishing when I was your age. There you go, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, buddy.
Awesome, man.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you. So today I'm out here with my buddy Aaron. Say hi, buddy. How you doing, sir?
Very well. How about yourself?
Doing good, man.
All right.
What is this? New York Yankees popcorn bucket? It's time burner. That's cool. What are you asking for it?
Works beautiful. 80.
80.
Works beautiful. I got everything there.
Is that the tailgating grill?
Grease
Yeah.
tray, you'll see. It's not used much. Brought it to Penn State twice for tailgating.
Wait, you say Penn State?
Yeah.
Are you from Pennsylvania?
I grew up in New York. I went to Penn State.
Oh, you went to Penn State? Awesome.
We're in the University of Florida.
I know, so
but yeah.
you
But yeah.
threw me a curveball there with the Florida shirt on.
How about yourself? Are you from Pennsylvania?
I'm from Pennsylvania. My sister graduated from Penn State. I went.
Oh, nice.
I played football up at Reading at Albright College.
Very cool.
And then I transferred down to Florida, so that's why.
Still go back when I can. Great memories.
Oh, it's one of the best stadiums in the country to go to.
Absolutely.
Who's the raccoon fan here?
My mother.
Your mother? Okay.
Oh, it's just insane.
I've never seen so many raccoons at one place.
You don't even
Raccoons,
know.
raccoons.
What if I told
raccoons.
you I have 80 more in the house?
You have 80 more in the house?
And I've sold at least 10.
Wow.
There you go, barbells.
Yeah, I saw those.
Those are great for your mom or dad in the pool.
Yeah.
Lady bought the other set already.
Or guys like him who have squirrely arms, right? Yeah.
Well, that's what it is. You know, after a certain amount of time, they can't hold their cell phones.
Yeah. I saw some older stuff. That's why I was curious. And I see some newer stuff. And
Yeah.
do you have any more bobbleheads?
I don't think so.
I saw it because this is from the Tampa Yankees.
Yep. And
Yeah.
I'm selling, I think, got 10 on there.
No, you got 15.
15, but it's a $20
Yeah.
item all day on eBay.
Yeah. It's a cool piece. How you guys doing today?
No idea.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, oh, that's cool.
Scared dog?
Yeah.
Use it to scare the dog?
No, we had it, and then we used it, and then the dog started freaking out.
Gotcha.
Couldn't even like have it on the bookshelf. They would see it and just start
Freak
barking.
out. Yeah.
Really? Wow.
I would have loved to pick up this remote control Grogu. Unfortunately, they were asking 30 bucks for it, and they were going for like 15, 20 on eBay. So that'd pass.
How you guys doing today? Got a squat bar, Olympic weights. Not a bad deal.
Ooh, bathtub.
Yes, please.
That's not something you normally see at a garage sale.
Personally loaded in your truck. Take it away so I don't have it anymore.
Oh man, these are the cool ones though.
It's fantastic. It just was too big for the remodel,
Yeah.
and then it was too late to
To return it? Oh.
I bet you wish you could fit that in there though, huh?
I
That's
do,
nice.
yeah. I got the same one, just a little bit smaller. Yeah.
Just put it in the backyard.
But it's very expensive planter.
Yeah. I actually bought other ones too.
You went back into the guy.
Yeah. Hello. How are you doing today? How much are your plush?
Whatever you want.
50 cents. I'll take 2. Wow, look at that set. That's cool. If it was so big though.
I know. Yeah.
It's like,
pretty cool because like it makes like a racetrack. with all
yeah,
the
it's a whole
pieces in
giant.
there.
That's cars, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. from the
Yeah.
movie.
Yeah, from the movie. Wow. Was that thing expensive, brand new?
I think it was like $200.
Yeah, I was gonna say, oh, it's a whole table too underneath there.
Yeah.
That's cool. Really cool piece. Be $1 for these. Thank you. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Next week, we'll be doing some big Whatnot shows. We're doing some great giveaways for the holiday season. So make sure you guys click on the link down below and join up. If you're not, you get 15 bucks free just for joining up. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.